We are making oven barbacoa de borrego, perfect for Easter in Mexico. This serves 6 people and takes about 4 hours from start to finish. Let's get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 4 pounds of bone and lamb shoulder. Rich and perfect for slow roasting. 6 dried guajillo chiles. Mild heat and deep red color. 4 dried pasilla chiles. Smoky and slightly sweet. 6 cloves of garlic. Bold and aromatic. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. It brightens the adobo. 1 tablespoon of chipotle in adobo. Smoky heat and depth. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Warm and earthy. 2 teaspoons of dried Mexican oregano. Herbal and citrusy. 3 bay leaves. Subtle aroma for the braise. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Essential seasoning. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. A touch of warmth. 2 cups of beef or lamb broth. This becomes a flavorful consommé. 1 large white onion. Sweet base for the braise. 2 large banana leaves. They wrap and perfume the lamb. 12 corn tortillas. For serving the barbacoa. 2 limes, cut into wedges. Bright acidity for serving. 1 small bunch of fresh cilantro, chopped. Fresh, herbal finish. 6 radishes, thinly sliced. Crisp bite and color. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Toast the 6 guajillo and 4 pasilla chiles in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side until fragrant, then soak them in very hot water for 15 minutes to soften. Drain the chiles, then blend them with 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chipotle in adobo, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of dried Mexican oregano, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 cup of the broth, blending until very smooth. Pat the 4-pound lamb shoulder dry, place it in a large bowl, and rub it with 2/3 of the adobo. Let it marinate for 30 minutes at room temperature. Slice the large white onion into thick rings. Line a large enameled cast iron Dutch oven with the 2 banana leaves, and scatter the onion rings over the bottom. Set the lamb on top of the onion, pour over the remaining adobo, add the remaining 1 cup of broth around the sides, tuck in the 3 bay leaves, fold the banana leaves over the meat, and cover the Dutch oven with its lid. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the covered Dutch oven on the center rack and bake for 2 hours. Open the pot briefly, baste the lamb with the juices using a spoon, and cover again right away. Continue baking covered for 1 more hour at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, until the lamb is fork tender. Uncover the pot, increase the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and roast for about 15 minutes to brown the edges while keeping the meat juicy. Remove the pot from the oven, tent loosely with the lid, and let the barbacoa rest for 15 minutes. Skim excess fat from the surface of the broth with a spoon. Shred the lamb directly in the pot with 2 forks, discard the bone and any large fatty pieces, and mix the meat with the flavorful juices. Wrap the 12 corn tortillas in foil and warm them in the hot oven for 5 minutes, then keep them wrapped until serving. Chop the small bunch of cilantro, thinly slice the 6 radishes, and cut the 2 limes into wedges. Ladle the hot consommé from the pot into small bowls for sipping alongside the tacos. Serve family style. Pile the shredded barbacoa onto warm tortillas, top with cilantro and radishes, and finish with a squeeze of lime. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our oven lamb barbacoa for Easter. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more recipes.